Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tiki Girl and I'm here with a very important tip for you today. So, if you have a masterclass hosted in Kajabi or you have a video series which is hosted in Kajabi and you wonder how do you access the video stats to see how your video is performing? So whether it is a masterclass video or it is a video series which you have uploaded in Kajabi and now you want to see what is the analytics, what is the data about those videos, like how many people are watching it till end, how many people are dropping at the beginning, in the mid. This gives you an idea how is your video performing actually, and on the basis of this data you can make tweaks and improve your video so that you have more and more people nurtured by your videos. They watch it till end and take the action which is required. And that boosts the conversion rates because if people will watch the entire video, if they are interested in what you are teaching, they will watch till end and they will listen to your offer rather than promoting it via an email or maybe just showcasing the button. When you actually introduce the offer, it makes more impact. So if they go and watch till end, they're more likely to take those actions to purchase. So that boosts your sales as well. So now let's see how you can do it in Kajabi. I have many clients reaching out to me asking about the video stats in Kajabi. So that's why I thought of recording this video and showing you here how you can access those video stats. So let's dive in quickly. So when you have logged in Kajabi, just go to the landing pages. So you saw I was here in website, and inside the website there are few options. I went to the landing pages because my video page is here. So now what I'll do is I'll just look for that video and I'll search because I remember the name. So I'll search by name and then I'll go and click into the page so that I can go into the edit mode. So once I've clicked on the video and I'm in on the page, I've clicked on the page and I'm inside the page, I will just simply click on the video for which I want to view the stats. It's very simple. So you click on the left side of the navigation bar, it will show you the video and various options. So under the video, you see there is an option called as video actions. You have to click on the drop down and then select video stats. Click on it and then it will show you the statistics about the video performance. So now if we scroll down, we'll see how many people have watched this video till end, how many people have dropped in between. You want to load more data, you can click on the load more and watch further data. It also shows you the date and the time when people have watched it. So this is how you can check the video stats for the videos which are uploaded in Kajabi. If you have got any question, please don't hesitate. Put your questions in comments. I'm here to help you with all your questions related to Kajabi, integrations, automations. So please put them in the comments and I'll record a new video, tag you and share it on YouTube. Thank you so much.